Welcome everyone, my name is Michael. Today, I'm going to be pouring over a wrapping paper cardboard tube. Okay, now, I know I've done the toilet paper and the roll paper, so I figured this was just a nice progression. And this time we're going to be able to lay it out, and we're going to tape it to 2 cups here so it stays stable and it's off the canvas too, so it gets to drop. Now I know wonderful artist Fiona, she does something very similar to this. She does a rod wrapped in some foil, and then she just pours over the top of it. So it's going to be very similar to that. I know she calls it like the magic wand technique or whatever, but it's very similar to that. This is very fun. I cannot wait to do this. I have a very beautiful color palette. Let's start getting some of this off here so we can go through this color palette. Wow. Yeah, we're going to fill these 2 cups here. That's going to be fun. Here's our tape so we can set that up. Let's get this off here. Oh, I'm excited, guys. Oh, and plus you get another morning, Michael. I get to pour this morning, so that's good. I'm just going to stick this over here. Oh, boy. Get it out of the way. We're going to make a mess. All right, so I want to go through these colors very quickly because, again, another red color palette, and you guys know how I feel about those red color palettes. I love them so much. All right, so let's start right over here, and this is just a cadmium yellow medium hue. All right, then this is cadmium orange. All right, this is just primary red. We have an iridescent magenta. Then we are working with deep violet. This is brilliant purple. All right, and then you just have titanium white. Now, I also want to show you one other thing. We are going to use this beautiful, beautiful pink right here. It's kind of thick though. We're going to use this as our flow extender here because I don't want to lose a lot of the straight pours that are going to come off of this big drippings of the tube. I want to try to keep some of these designs, so I figured let's just do a nice little flow extender. This pink is really pretty. It's kind of like Pepto-Bismol almost, but it's very pretty. All right, let's put this over here. All right, guys. You know what? While I'm on camera, why don't we set up this so you can see how to do this? All right, very easy. Let's just put 1 cup here, 1 cup here. You know, I figured, look, using a wrapping paper roll, all right, everybody has to have these around, okay? They have to be pretty common. Let's hope that this stays. Maybe I have to use bigger cups, but I do have tape, so let's see. Oh, kind of excited. This could be a big mess, though. Let's see. There we go. Yeah, I think taping it down, I think, helps. And I was kind of hoping the cups would be out of frame, but I don't really mind. This is fine. Wow, very cool. Now remember, you guys can do this at home now. You just use the tape. I'm going to put 2 on this one because I feel like it's not as stable. Ooh. I also just got a little bit on my hair. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's maybe put another one. This doesn't seem as stable as it should be. Maybe we should put some other cups underneath. Oh boy, I should have used bigger cups. You guys know I have them. But yeah, maybe I should put some other cups. This should be fun. This should be interesting. Oh boy, look at that. Wow. Hold on a second. Let's throw a couple more cups under there. This is a weird video for you guys. All right, that's better. I feel maybe a little more stable. Okay, it's just a little slightly higher up. All right, let's see how this works, guys. All right, so we built this. What I need to do is I'm gonna fill up the 2 big cups here. Let's just run this now like the rest, normal pour. Let's get this out of the way. And you know what, guys? I will see you on the other side. Let's go. that was a lot of fun. You guys know how much I love layering cups, and these cups are insane. These colors are crazy. I cannot wait to put them down. All right, let's move these off. I did 2 cups because I didn't want to weigh all the paint down. You filled one of those big cups, some of that paint's gonna really just mesh together down there. It really is. Where'd I put? I think I just lost that big device I made here. Oh, maybe morning Michael isn't as good as nighttime Michael. Oh boy. Here we go. Okay, let's get her right in the middle here. All right, very nice. Oh, I can't wait. This is gonna be so cool. Hopefully it does not fall while the paint is dripping on there. All right, guys. Now, with all this being said, I can't wait to do this. Let's get this down there. We're gonna go into nice music and we're gonna pour this down. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, everybody. Again, I will see you on the other side. Let's go. All right, everyone, let's come down here with this baby. Wow. Holy cow. This is bright and beautiful, and I love it, and I love the designs. Wow, I love it. I just love everything about it. Look at how crazy this looks. And you got the way to, I'm really messy. I don't want to touch it. There's these little flames down here. It looks so cool. And I'm almost mad that I had to overstretch that out. But there was a huge, almost like wave of paint coming down, and I had to get it off there, so I lost slightly a little bit of this bottom. But man, when we go into the close-ups, it's gonna look so cool. These little flames popping up here. This is a great abstract painting. Wow. Fluid art, that's the one thing about fluid art, guys. It is a lot of fun. We have a lot of fun with it, but it does create some very good abstract paintings. Okay, without using any brushes. Okay, you have to admit, this is beautiful. All right, guys, let's torch. Remember, we don't want to generate any cells or any kind. We just want to pop some bubbles. Okay, this design is beautiful. This needs nothing. I'm actually gonna try to go fast. I don't want to generate anything. Wow, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Yep. And see, just, you know, go out, find yourself some wrapping paper. I know you wrap presents, and if you wrap presents and you have those tubes, use it. I also have these really big tubes that come with my paper rolls that I use for the background. If you guys ever are wondering what I'm using for the background, I'll tell you in about a second. Hold on. Yeah, my backdrop is this. It is it's black paper. There's black paper on it. So mine comes in as huge rolls of black paper. So I have bigger tubes there, but they're way bigger than that little, just the little guy that I just used right there. All right, guys. I want to get into these close-ups, so let's just wrap this up. But you know, I have big thank yous going out to all of you for watching these videos and learning something. And now, please go home, try this out, do it. It's great. I love it. All right, with all that being said, going to those close-ups, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.